I'm here with a quick little weekly check-in slash cash unstuffing video. So this week has been really good. I've had mostly no spend days, and what I mean by no spend is any money outside of fixed expenses. So my bills that are auto pay, anything that is a bill that I have to pay, I don't count that. Spend is more items that I can control, so my variable expenses. So going forward, I want to use my leftover money. I want to roll it over to my savings challenges, and that's how I want to fund my savings challenges. So the more that I save during the week and don't spend, the more I get to stuff and do the fun saving challenges. That's kind of will be my incentive to save money. But I will be rolling over certain funds depending on the week and what I have going on. I may roll those over into another variable expense if I know that I will be using it. So hopefully that makes sense. So the first item I have is gas. I never have money left over in gas. Next up is food. We used all our food fund. I have this budget sheet that I added. I laminated. I'm currently laminating more of these sheets, and I think that I want to use these. I'm not sure if I'm going to use it here for my variable expense binder, or if I want to use these for my sinking funds. I still don't know what I'm going to use it for. But I do want to start tracking them. So I may bring back my expense tracker little booklet that I have, my reusable booklet. So I don't know, we'll see. All right, so for groceries, we do have money left over, but I'm due to go to the grocery store, but opt to just go do a BJ's run because I have to pick up some things there. So I figured I'll just get somewhat groceries there. So I did have 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. I did have $50 left towards that, but I think that I'm going to put that to the side and roll it over into my BJ's binder since I am stopping there. So that's that. Spending. So spending, I did spend money under spending. I went to Starbucks today and I reloaded my card and I had coffee. I think my coffee was probably 4 something and change or 5 something and change. So I'm just gonna do 6, and then I reloaded $10 into the card, so $16. I have too many things to the side now. I'm gonna put this in the back because I know that's for BJ's. And then I'm going to put this here. This is money that I have to pay back on my card. So that's that. And then that means that I have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 left over. And that will go towards my saving challenges. Then I have household. Household has $5, $10. I'm just gonna keep that in here and build this up a little bit more in case I need any items for my home. Then I have miscellaneous. Miscellaneous has $15. I'm just again gonna keep that in here and roll it over in case I need it. Next up I have kids. For kids, I did have an expense. I gave my daughter $3 that she needed for something, so I have 2. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna pay 2 and leave. So then I have 5, 10, 15, and I'm going to put that towards my savings challenges. Then I have family. Oh, look, I have 3 here. So actually, let me 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna put these 2 here. And I have 1, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 3 here. Put that there. Then I have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I have $13 in here, and I'm going to roll this over because we do have a family event in a week or two, and I figured I'll use this money towards that and just roll it over. So I'm gonna do 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to switch out, get the 10 and the 3s and the 3 ones, and I'm just going to leave that in there. This is money towards my savings challenge. And then I have my BJ's binder, which I said I was gonna roll this money into. So I currently have, I should have 160, so I'm putting 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So I'm gonna add 50 to that. 20, 30, 40, 50. 110, if I know how to do math. All right. So we currently have, my math is correct, 100, 150, 170, 180, 190, 195, 200, 205, 210. So 210 for our BJ stop. And that's it for my unstuffing. This amount is, so I have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I have $18 going into my... So that is it. That sums up my video. Hopefully you enjoyed watching, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye.